Picture this: waking up every day, excited, motivated, and knowing you're heading toward the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine a tomorrow where you feel fulfilled, successful, and truly happy, not because you got lucky, but because you intentionally designed it. That life is closer than you think, and today I'm going to show you how to take the first steps to create your better tomorrow. This isn't just about inspiration, it's about transformation. Your life can change in ways you never thought possible by mastering your thoughts, taking the right actions, and using your time wisely. Designing your better tomorrow isn't a dream, it's a decision. And by the end of this, you'll have the tools and mindset to make that decision and stick with it. Let's dive into the 5 pillars of designing your better tomorrow and why each one is critical for unlocking your potential and living the life you deserve. Your thoughts are more powerful than you realize. They shape your beliefs, actions, and ultimately your reality. If you constantly think about weaknesses, what you lack, or what you can't do, those thoughts create barriers that hold you back. But when you shift your focus to your strengths, opportunities, and potential, your life begins to transform. Think about it this way: your mind is a garden. The thoughts you nurture are the seeds that grow. Are you planting weeds of negativity or flowers of positivity? When you tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," you're allowing those weeds to take over. But when you think, "I am capable, I am strong, and I am ready to grow," you plant seeds that blossom into success and self belief. James Allen famously said, "You are today where your thoughts have brought you. You will be tomorrow where your thoughts will take you." Take a moment to reflect on thoughts you entertain daily. Are they leading you toward your better tomorrow? Or are they keeping you stuck? Replace every negative thought with a positive affirmation, and you'll notice a shift in your energy and your actions. Nothing in life comes without effort. Success, fulfillment, and progress are all earned by the work you put in today. Each day is an opportunity to take one step closer to your dreams, or one step further away from them. What you do today lays the foundation for the life you'll live tomorrow. Think about this: successful people aren't necessarily smarter or luckier than you. They simply use their time wisely and take consistent action. Every small decision you make adds up, whether it's choosing to work on your goals, improving a skill, or simply taking care of your health. Muhammad Ali put it best when he said, "Don't count the days, make the days count." So, how are you earning your tomorrow today? Are you investing your time in activities that align with your goals, or are you letting distractions and procrastination take over? You don't have to achieve everything at once. Just focus on making today better than yesterday. Every small progress leads to massive results over time. True change starts from within. If you want to design a better tomorrow, you have to invest in your inner growth. That means developing resilience, self-awareness, and the ability to adapt to life's challenges. Inner growth isn't always easy, but it's worth it. It requires stepping outside of your comfort zone, facing your fears, and embracing discomfort. Why? Because that's where growth happens. Think about any skill or accomplishment you're proud of. It likely came from a time when you pushed yourself harder than you thought you could. Ask yourself, am I the same person I was a year ago? If the answer is yes, it's time to change that. Commit to small but consistent actions that challenge you to grow. Whether that's learning a new skill, having difficult conversations, or pursuing a goal you've been avoiding. Remember, growth isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every challenge you overcome builds a stronger, more capable version of yourself. When you focus on growing each day, you create a powerful force that drives you toward a better tomorrow. Bruce Lee once said, "Don't speak negatively about yourself, even as a joke. Your body doesn't know the difference. Words are energy, and they cast spells. That's why it's called spelling." Change the way you speak about yourself, and you can change your life. Think about the way you talk to yourself. Are you encouraging, or are you tearing yourself down? Negative self talk doesn't just hurt your confidence, it limits your potential. Words like, "I am not good enough," "I'll never succeed," or "I'm just not talented" act as chains, keeping you from moving forward. But here's the good news: you have the power to change your inner dialogue. Replace negative statements with affirmations that empower you. For example, instead of saying, "I am not ready," say, "I am preparing myself every day." Instead of saying, "I failed," say, "I learned a lesson that will help me grow." Speaking kindly to yourself isn't just a feel good exercise, it's transformative practice that builds self confidence, resilience, and a positive mindset. Be your own biggest supporter and watch how your life changes. Your time is your most valuable resource. You can earn more money, rebuild relationships, and recover from setbacks. But you can never get back lost time. How you spend your days determines the quality of your life and your future. Imagine each day as a bank account. Every hour is $1. Are you spending those dollars wisely? Or are you wasting them on distractions that don't add value to your life? Successful people understand the power of time. They prioritize their goals, focus on what truly matters, and eliminate what doesn't. They don't let a single day go by without taking a step toward their dreams. Think about how you can spend your days more intentionally. Start with a clear plan for what you want to achieve. Avoid time wasters like endless scrolling or procrastination. Dedicate time to your passions, personal growth, and relationships. As the saying goes, you have the same 24 hours in a day as Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, or Serena Williams. The difference is in how you use them. Your better tomorrow isn't just a dream, it's a decision. It starts with the thoughts you think, the work you do, the growth you pursue, the words you speak, and the time you spend. By making intentional choices today, you can create a future that inspires and fulfills you. So, are you ready to take charge of your life? Start today. Start now. If this message inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more motivational content that empowers you to achieve greatness. Let's design your better tomorrow together.